Hi all, welcome back to Bosco Campus Vision. So we were speaking about radios, and in today's session we'll be discussing translating creative works and radio plays. The radio is known for its innovative programs and for bringing out new programs in new formats. So radio programs are innovative and they give new programs in new formats and new versions. While there is no dearth of creative features or other programs in the radio, works that have attained immense popularity in other formats are usually translated or transformed into radio features. See, even though there is no lack in content in radios, they often incorporate work that have attained immense popularity. These works are usually translated or transformed into radio features. It is not unusual to hear a book being narrated or a drama or play being performed on radio. Akashvani Malayalam channels continue with the practice of transmitting sound tracks of Malayalam movies over the radio. One can listen to the sounds and see the movie in the mind's eye. We usually prefer to watch a movie, right? But such channels as Akashvani transmits soundtracks of Malayalam movies so that the listener can listen to the sounds and see the movie in their mind. Despite this being about the crudest form of translation and while entertaining, it is not a challenging form to create or produce. See, when the soundtracks of movies are transmitted through radios, the ultimate aim of movies is being altered. Movies are for watching, right? But when it is transmitted via radio, the manner changes, the reception changes, which implies that there is a translation going on. And even though it is entertaining, it is not a challenging form to create or produce. Similarly, books, plays, and poems may be read out. The importance of voice cannot be ignored in the case of such readings. So there are programs that are dedicated to the reading of books, plays, and poems. And in all these programs, the voice modulation of the presenter is a main factor. It is challenging to take a book or play and create a mutated form that is tailor-made to play to those characteristics of the radio that set it apart from others and suit the medium itself. So in the process of translation, or a work is altered so that it could be translated through a radio, it is challenging because it has suit the medium. It has to suit radio. The matter has to be effectively communicated. So that is a challenge. Some parts or aspects are highlighted while others are ignored altogether because the same cannot be successfully translated into the target medium. So when the medium changes, that is when the medium changes from audio visual to only audio to only radio, some parts or aspects of the work should be highlighted and some should be altogether deleted. There are certain narratives that would be impossible to communicate over the radio. Stories set in imaginary worlds, horror and fantasy, or stories on supernatural beings like fairies, valkyries, shapeshifters, etc., cannot be conveyed effectively. Thrillers would suffer the same fate. The creator or producer of such a work would have to find innovative ways to express such storylines. So it is very tedious or it is very tiring to present certain kinds of works over the radio. because it will be really hard to create the effect or the emotion that is contained in the work. So that is a shortcoming of translation. And in order to present such works, the creator has to find innovative ways to express such storylines. When translating or transforming a play for the radio, the writer must be aware of the pitfalls. So the writer must be aware of the places that he could go wrong while translating or transforming a play for the radio. He or she must decide at the outset what elements can be incorporated and transferred effectively and what would have to be left out. He or she must ask her or himself whether such omissions would seriously undermine the thread, scope, and direction of the story. See, there would be sequences that could not be effectively communicated when it comes to a radio. So the creator can think about it and he can leave it out if he feels so. But while doing so, he or she must make sure that such omissions do not affect the storyline or the thread or the crux of the story. When adapting a story from one medium to another, an important consideration is the issue of copyright. The station must not only buy the copyright or the right to use the source material, it must also gain permission to make those changes that may be necessary to tailor the material to suit radio. So the creator must be aware of copyright issues and he should buy the copyright or the right to use the source material. And because there is a transferring of medium, converting from one medium to another, he must also seek permission from the source or the content creators of the source material to make necessary adjustments in the storyline so as to suit the radio. Let's wind up today's session. As assignment, write a brief note on radio plays. Thank you and have a nice day.